Hey guys, it's your girl Lilian Majanja and you are welcome to Food Ways. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. So today's video we are making something called half cakes, and yeah, I got my partner to help me out. As you can see, she started with flour, baking flour, and she used 8 cups of baking flour. Yeah, I know it has been a while, but I hope you get to learn something and try it out and maybe contact me. I get to see what you've made, and yeah, you tell me what you think about everything. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy. So first we begin with 8 cups of flour. Next is the sugar. She used 1.5 cups of sugar. So she first scooped out 1 cup of sugar, as you can see, then a half, so it was 1.5 cups of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You're gonna see all that in the video. So that's our salt. She's now getting the salt, and you're gonna see how she got the spoons. She measured 1 teaspoon of the salt. It was just 1 teaspoon, as you can see. Next is our baking powder. So for the baking powder, she used 2.5 teaspoons of the baking powder. All these are our dry ingredients. So she first mixed our dry ingredients, as you can see. That's when she got an egg, just 1 egg. Yeah, she mixed the egg into all the dry ingredients, just 1 egg. And next is our lemon zest. Yeah, so she got the lemon, cleaned it and everything. You know what to do. Yeah, and that's our lemon zest. You add it in the dry ingredients too, alongside the egg and everything. Next is the butter, and I will use 1/2 cup of butter. So for our case, she used 2/4 cups, because the cup that measures a half was kind of big, so she preferred to use 2/4 cups, but we use 1/2 cup of butter. So she made her first scoop of the butter, and then she made a second scoop. Next is our vanilla for the scent. Yeah, vanilla is used in very many things, and it adds a very nice aroma in the things that you have baked, the pastries and everything. So next is our vanilla, and yeah, one tablespoon of vanilla. So she used 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Yeah, don't forget to shake your vanilla before using it, your vanilla essence before using it. Next, it's supposed to be our milk. We use 300 milliliters. You can measure it using your measuring jug or measuring can or whatever you use. Yeah, so she kept on putting little by little and mixing it up. Little by little, then you mix everything together. So that's how you do it. So she kept on mixing and then started kneading the dough until it turned to that. So you knead and knead and knead and knead and knead and knead. Yeah, that's how it's done. And we're almost done with our process. And I hope you're learning something. And I can't wait to get feedback from you guys. So she's done kneading and you can see how our dough is like. So next we are supposed to roll it out. You get your rolling board. We used a tray, a chopping board. It's an old board, that's why it's kind of stained. Yeah, but that's how it's done. You get your dough, and you roll it out. Don't forget. Yeah, I was saying don't forget to dust your surface or whatever you are using. So that's the whole process. Next, she's rolling out the dough, and don't make it super flat or super thin. It's not supposed to be super thin, but you try to spread it out as much as you can without making it super thin. So our knife comes out. Yeah, you start after rolling the dough out, then you start cutting it into pieces, separate pieces. Remember, we are making half cakes, so they're usually rectangular. At times they're in square shape. So she kept on cutting some more, and she made the rectangular shape, as you can see. And she was putting those she was done with on the tray. She was doing this as she's preheating the deep fryer. She used the deep fryer, and in case you don't have one, you can use your frying pan and charcoal stove or gas cooker or whatever you are using. But she used the deep fryer. So at the moment, yeah, the oil in our deep fryer was ready, and it was already hot and what do I call it, boiling or whatever. So that's when she dipped our half cakes into that deep fryer. So that's how it looks like. I mean, a deep fryer, and I hope you guys know them, or in case you don't know them, use whatever you have, a frying pan or whatever. It all can work. So we dipped our half cakes into the hot cooking oil, and within a few minutes, I think there were about 5 or 7 or something, they were floating on the surface of the hot cooking oil, and that's how we got to know that we were ready. So yeah, we had to take them out, but first we needed to take a few minutes to drain out the cooking oil. Yeah, to drain out the extra cooking oil that we didn't need. yeah, you know, in case you take a lot of cooking oil, it can give you a crazy stomach ache, the worst stomach ache. So just a minute or so for the oil to drain out, and yeah, those were ready. So she put them on the side. Yeah, she had already prepared her what do I call it, draining pan or something for them, and she put them aside to cool down, and that's everything. She was done with frying everything. But I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.